leads me to Kristina Partsinevelos, because our chart of the day is Mobileye. Those shares are tanking after a revenue warning. We're seeing a number of auto sector chip players getting crushed today. What's your read here?
Well, it's not just any revenue warning. The autonomous driving systems company expects a 50% drop in revenue for the first quarter of this year because of excessive customer inventory issues. So that means buying less as they work through their inventory. Keep in mind as well, 30% of Mobileye's business is exposed to China. Mobileye is having its worst day, Scott, like you pointed out, since going public in October 2022. It's actually the fifth straight day of losses. You can see shares down, 25%? And like you pointed to, the dire warning slightly impacting companies like Intel, since Intel actually bought the firm back in 2017, is still its majority shareholder. Intel was down much worse this morning. It's coming off, but down 0.5% right now. It's in quiet period, so they wouldn't comment on this. The news, though, weighing on auto semis like STM, NXPI, on Semi, ADI as well, which really just leaves about 3 names positive in the SMH ETF right now. And this is the first negative pre-announcement from a chip company in 2024. I know we're day 4 in January. It could be isolated to Mobileye, or it could set a negative precedence for auto-exposed names like onsemi and XPI, especially as they meet with investors at the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas next week. So there could be a lot more news coming. Separately, Scott, Qualcomm announcing updated chips for its augmented and virtual reality devices that offer faster processing from dozens of cameras. And they claim it could even be better for motion sickness, because that was a complaint in the past. But Google and Samsung both plan to use this new chip in their VR headsets. And competition could definitely be ramping up when Apple launches its Vision Pro headset this upcoming February.
Jimmy, I mean, you've got NXP, so I know you're watching this closely, and Mobileye's having an impact on a lot of names, as Kristina says.
It is. You don't have me on to prevaricate, and I won't disappoint. I think this is
love that word.
I've thought about it. This, I think, is a Mobileye situation. I don't think this is an industry situation, and it's very reminiscent of a quarter ago. I think it was a quarter ago on Semi. Remember this? They had a very disappointing guidance, took the whole sector down, but it turned out it was just on Semi's problem. It could well be that Mobileye is, as Kristina said, selling heavily into China. But look, if the basic simple truth here is we've been producing autos. There's demand for autos. We got auto sales yesterday. They were very good. There's also a production pickup in autos to catch up with what happened during the strike. Now, this all plays to the auto semiconductors' strength. So, NXP was off almost about 6% earlier today. It's scrambled back a little bit. I do think this is a Mobileye specific situation. Could be wrong. We'll see. But there's my stake in the ground.
Kristina, I'm looking at some calls today as well. KeyBank makes one. They're looking for continued appreciation. That's the title of their note. Excuse me. They raised the price target of AMD to 170 from 140. You've got a Piper Sandler note today. Top pick remains NVIDIA. They like ON as well.
Yeah, for AMD, a lot of that is driving with its new AI chip that's going to be a competition to NVIDIA. So you're seeing a lot of positive reinforcement coming from there. The AI narrative is still important for 2024. Also why you're seeing a lot of bullish commentary around Micron, because it provides the memory for a lot of these AI systems. Piper also pointing out a Micron today in their note as well. But Jim, just to your point, I feel like you're maybe a little bit more biased because you're talking about ON and you own it. It did trade down about 22% after its miss on October 30th. NXPI also guided below for Q1 as well. So it might be isolated to Mobileye, but there has been some concern that auto, specifically auto within the chip world, it was the last chip to fall, no pun intended. So maybe this is that contraction that we were looking for, especially when you look at EV demand.
Kristina, just so you know, I don't own ON. No big deal there. That's okay.
Apologies.
But you own NXP.
I do own NXP.
Sorry.
I got to go back to my notes
NXP.
because you said they guided down for the first quarter, and now I'm doing this from memory, but I thought their last earnings report was pretty good on the guidance. I hate to disagree with you without the facts right in my hand.
NXPI guided Q1 below already, but I can double check that, so it's just in my notes.
Okay, I'll double check as well, and I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just
I could be wrong. Very
just
easily.
Emotionally remember it as a pretty good quarter.
Of course, because you hold that name and not on Semi.
You should have quit while you were ahead when you said he's biased.
That's harsh.
Period. End there. Dead silence after that, right?
Mic drop. Kristina, thanks as always. Kristina Partsinevelos. Josh, give me something, though, on this AMD from KeyBank. Target raised to 170 from 140. It's a new buy for you, or relatively new.
Look, AMD is going to play a very critical role in AI. We all know that. That's obviously priced into the stock. Lisa Su has made substantial strides. You think about it, it's only really last January when Microsoft announced its $10 billion investment into OpenAI. That was like when the race began, officially began, right? So it's only really been a year. It's not even a year since that announcement. And in that time, I think AMD has very forcefully thrown its hat into the ring. You see her speak. She's saying all the right things. The new chips are very impressive. They're working on training. They're working on inferencing. They're announcing customer wins and design improvements. And they've got certain things that are actually working faster than some of the prevailing technology from NVIDIA. She's wearing leather jackets. She's doing everything that you could want a CEO to do. And quite frankly, they're never going to have market share in comparison with NVIDIA, at least not, I don't think, in the next 5 or 10 years. But that's not what's important. What's important is they're going to grow regardless because the whole pie is growing so rapidly. And they're going to be there where it matters. So I'm sticking with it. I don't have a lot of the stock. Candidly, I didn't buy enough, and it took off really quickly. I'm accustomed to buying things, and they drop 10% immediately. So that's what happened there. But I will not part with what small amount of AMD I'm currently long.
I got you. Just to clean up as well, the end of our last conversation from Kristina.
Yes.
On NXPI, their guidance, they do expect next quarter's revenue to be around $3.4 billion, which was slightly below analyst expectations.
I apologize to Kristina. I didn't mean to call her out on that. My own interpretation, just for the record, is that NXPI is very underappreciated. Stock went way down after that, and the stock is underappreciating just how many drivers this company has. It's not just automotive. There's a lot of Internet of Things. But basically, auto production is picking up. Outside of Mobileye, this announcement is out of keeping with every other indication from automotive.
All right. No harm, no foul. It was a good conversation. We just wanted to clean that up there at the end.